Hello, Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will get the answer for this question. Could a single vaccine prevent multiple disease spread by mosquitoes? So the mosquito is basically the different type of species is the vector. This contain a different type of parasite and virus which that will transmit into the human for create the more disease. So the basically is the mosquito itself is the vector, and it is also parasite for getting the blood from the host. So idea for mosquito-borne illness has described mosquitoes transmit a wide variety of nasty microbes from viruses like dengue, yellow fever, Zika to parasite like malaria and epicomplexan. There is a lot of a parasitic disease progress due to the transmission. The vector is mosquito. Vaccine development is a challenge for this disease prevention because it can be progress, and before the progression we should get the vaccine, but it is difficult. Let's understand about that. In this article we will learn idea of niches Dr. Jessica Manning and her colleagues. This is the source of this video. We are getting this type of knowledge through Jessica E. Manning, David M. Morris, Sheridan Kamwavi, Jesus G. Valenzuela, and Matthew, a lot of things. So in this way, the chemosensing organ are present in the mosquito, and the thermosensing receptors will receive the chemotactic movement will occur due to the more carbon dioxide near the human and more heat, which that will follow the carbon dioxide, mosquito, and heat will reside is the landing on the skin. This mosquito will bite, and after this bite due to the proboscis, which that will inject into the skin and inject the saliva. But also it is used for the taking of blood. During the blood taking, it should be anticoagulating effect due to the saliva injection contain anticoagulant. The skin is contain epidermis, dermis contain blood vessel. So it requires the blood taking due to the dermis inflammation. And the neurons are present, the nervous system, the sensory neuron, pain sensation, and immune response. Let's understand about the normal function of the response. Innate immunity to mosquito saliva enhance the viral infection. So it is a response we will discuss, and how the disease can progress by the injection of the virus from the mosquito as a vector to the human body as a host. So the salivary protein inject. This salivary protein inject is also contain anticoagulant as well as other irritant, will lead to cause allergic reaction also. The increase of interleukin 4 and 10, interferon decrease and response will occur, and the virus will be enter into the due to the recruitment of the neutrophil. So a rapid influx of the neutrophil from inflammation. In this way, the neutrophil will take this saliva, the protein as well as the virus, and in this way, the interleukin 1 beta and CCL2 will rise, will recruit the myeloid cell like dendritic cell and other type macrophage. The infection of myeloid cell will occur. In this way, the myeloid cell will be infected due to the virus, and in this way, taking the virus will go into the lymphatic system. The viral infection to drain the lymph node after the infection of myeloid cell like macrophage and dendritic cell. After this go into the lymphatic system, the viral dissemination will occur. This viral dissemination will occur to this, and virus will escape to further progress to cause disease with a several organ and tissue. Let's understand about immunization with a vector saliva based vaccine injection. This is the theoretical explain I am explaining by that article. I will give the link in description below. You can watch that and read it. Synthetic immunodominant salivary proteins will inject. After the injection, the dendritic cell antigen presenting cell will be activated. Number two is the antigen presenting cell will go, and the third one is the primed CD4 T cell response and CD8 T cell possibly. In this way, it will basically go into the lymphatic system, and the CD4 T cell recognize the antigen. After the antigen recognition, the CD8 T cell also activate, but the CD4 T cell will become a CD4 T cell memory cell, the T memory cell, and give the response. And the B cell also activate for the allergic reaction. After this, the putative mechanism, here the B cell also produce the antibodies. But salivary proteins, when inject again after the vaccination, the putative mechanism of the conferred protection via a saliva-based vaccine. In this way, the again rapid response by tissue resident memory cell, T memory cell basically, which that will be activated again and rapidly. After the taking of these salivary proteins, the interferon should be decreased, but interferon will be increased, because the interferon is increased due to the rapid and quick response. Because after the vaccination, the activated macrophage will activate and engulf this salivary protein, and in this way also engulf the pathogen. And in this way, the primary CD4 T cell, which that primed the CD4 T cell activate to activate the CD8 T cell, will lead to cytotoxicity of the activated macrophage, and also the CD4 T memory cell will give the quick response to activate the B memory cell, and blockage of viral replication and dissemination. So in this way, the no active virus reach the draining the lymph node, and in this way the lymph node will not access to get that virus, and in this way the virus will be clear, and no pathogenicity will occur. The pathogenesis will not occur. Let's understand about the theory is nice, but does it work? The evidence we will discuss in this manner. The sandflies transmit a parasite. That parasite is called a leishmania, lead to cause leishmaniasis. Researchers have shown that including various animals with sandflies, saliva prevent them from being infected by the parasite. Likewise, the vaccination with tick saliva may prevent the spread of Lyme disease. In this way, this is the evidence, and in this way, the theory is correct, and it can lead to prevent that mosquito induced disease, and prevent the mosquito infection due to the injection of that different type of parasite. If the author's machinations are correct, this could represent a breakthrough in ridding the humanity of all type of nasty viruses and parasitic disease. And in this way, the prevention will be possible. And if the single vaccine prevent the multiple disease spread by mosquito, will lead to more decrease the disease, will lead to healthy population increase. Vaccination is protecting the humanity to increase population, and prevention of disease and healthy population is very important and our obligation. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please make sure to subscribe, like and share. See you in the next video. For this time, we have discussed about the could a single vaccine prevent the multiple diseases spread by mosquito. So it can be possible. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.